How to create a fashion accessories store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Shopify.com is a platform that makes you able to create your own online store just by dragging and dropping elements. You will be able to install the theme that you would like to use. Then you will just need to make some easy changes like adding your logo, changing the colors or the theme. So here first I'm going to show you how you can create your store in the platform. So just type Shopify in your search, then click on the first link, and then click again on the first link. Then you will proceed to signing up with your email. So here just click on start free trial, then enter your email, and then you will be provided with 3 days for free. It's a 3-day trial, a 3-day free trial. Then you will just need to pay $3 for 3 months. So basically guys, the first 3 months just for $3. So here guys, after you create your account, this is the store that you will have. So I'm going to show you how you can start customizing your store. So here in your left, you have all of the elements that you will need in order to change your store. So here we have the home, then we have the orders. This is where you can see all of your orders. You can see the total orders, the ordered items over time, the returns, the fulfilled orders over time as well. So you can see all of these elements. Then we have the products. This is where you can add new products, or this is where you can import products from other websites like CG dropshipping if you're doing dropshipping, or if you've already been using some other platform, you can import products from there. And then let's go straight to the online store. This is where we can change the design of our online store. So here, this is the theme that we're using right now, and if you click on view your store, you will be able to see how it's looking like. So this is our store, this is how it's looking like. This is the pages that we have in it. So let's close this window, and then let's proceed to start changing our theme. So here, by scrolling down, you will be able to see some other free themes. Click on visit the theme store, and here you will be able to choose whatever theme that you like. So just make sure to choose a theme that will match or that will fit your need. So here we want to create a fashion accessories store. So let's filter by free to see all of the free themes, and then we will choose the theme that will match our need. So here, let's see if we can find a theme that is related to fashion accessories. So here we have this one, since right down, it's about bags, and it's really close to what we need. But let's see if we can find something else. I think we're going to use since down. Sorry, we're going to use down. Let's click on it to see how it's looking like. Here, click on view demo store. And this is how it's looking like. Industrial design meets fashion. I think this will fit our needs. So here, just click on try theme, and then you will have it installed in your page. Let's close the first window. It's been added to our online store. Just give it a few seconds to load. And let's close this one in here. So here it's loading, guys. And here it is. We're still using since. Scroll down, and here is the theme that we've chosen right now. It's been installed. Let's wait for it to complete. Then click on publish in order to have it as your current theme. So here click on publish, and then let's proceed to customize it. Click on customize. So here, this is where we're going to customize our theme. So here in your right or in your left, you have all of the elements that you will need to use in order to customize your theme. We have the announcement bar, the header, the templates, and here in the page, you will just need to click on whatever you'd like to change, and then you will be able to change it in your left. So I'm going to show you an example. Let's go to the announcement bar. So here, by clicking on it, you will be able to see where you're going to change. So here, if you want to change the scheme, you can choose whatever scheme you'd like. Let's say this one, for example, or let's say black or blue. Let's leave it at blue, and then let's turn this option on. It's the auto rotate announcements, and let's leave it at 5 seconds. Then let's go back and let's change what's written inside the announcement bar. Let's leave this announcement and let's add another announcement. And here, let's remove this text. Let's say, for example, 50% off today. And let's go back, and here you will see that it's rotating every 5 seconds between these two announcements. And then if you want to change the header, for example, just click on it. Then you will be able to change the logo position in the desktop if you want it in the middle left, or if you want it in the top center or the middle center, like that. I think I'm going to leave it in the middle left, or let's leave it at the top center, like that. And then let's add a logo to our store. So here, go to the theme settings, then click on logo, and here click on select image in order to select image from your desktop as your logo. Or if you just want, you can export 3 images and you can choose one from these. Let's go with women's fashion. For example, let's choose this image. This is just an example, guys. I advise you to create your own logo to use. And here, after choosing the logo, you can change everything else just like that. So guys, just don't forget, when you're done with making all of the changes that you want to make sure to click on save to save your changes. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.